Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know a lot of times we like to get riled up and get really into our national elections, our presidential elections, our Congress people, our representatives. But contrary to popular belief, your local elected officials actually have more of an impact on your day-to-day life than what you think. And there's three positions or three elected positions that really have a huge impact on your day-to-day life that I want to tell you all about. And that first one is the county judge. A county judge is essentially the mayor of that county. They preside over the commissioner's court. They set the budget. They essentially handle all the money that the county deals with. They set the tax rates. And then they also have the ability to declare emergencies. You'll probably have seen in 2020, depending on what county you're in, a lot of county judges basically were in opposition of Governor Abbott's mandate, and it was politically driven. So things like that, they can put, they would put restrictions on businesses, but those decisions that were made in the last 2 years, that I know y'all have experienced, those came from your county judge. So depending on where you lived, you might have thought that they were some crazy decisions, or they could have been a little bit more level-headed. Another thing too is depending on who's on that commissioner's court and your county judge, kind of like we're seeing in Harris County right now, you have Lena Hidalgo basically creating junk positions to pay her friends off. And if your commissioner's court is behind that county judge and everybody's in cahoots with each other, then that's essentially what you get. So yeah, county judge is one thing. Another one that y'all really need to pay attention to is your district attorney. Houston has a major issue with their district attorney right now, Kim Ogg. Houston just passed, I believe in January, had more murders than any other city in the United States. And I'm not sure if you knew about that. One of the reasons is, and what the district attorney does, they decide what cases they want to bring or they want to prosecute. And that's kind of the issue that Kim Ogg and her office has had in Harris County. They do a horrible job of bringing cases to be tried. And so that's a direct, it has a direct impact on the local community. Houston is things are getting crazy in Houston right now. And a lot of that has to deal with the DA. The fact that they're so incompetent and they're weak on crime, which leads me to number 3, your judges. That's another main issue that Houston is having right now, is because repeat felons, regardless of if the district attorney tries to prosecute them or not, they're basically getting off with minor, small amounts of bond, and they're going out and just doing repeat offender stuff, because that's what criminals do, right? Criminals do criminal shit. And so that's the problem that these judges are doing, is they're just letting these people off the hook. They pay that small amount, get out of, they post bail, and they go out and they do the same crap that they did that caused them to, get arrested the first time. So the judges that you elect, those make a big, big difference when it comes to, how violent acts, things like that, are prosecuted, how they are tried. So just think about that next time you go to the polls. And so right now, once again, we're in primary season. I think we've got till, maybe like the end of February for early voting. And guys, this is when you vote for the best candidate. This is when you vote for that person whose beliefs and ideals strongly align with what you believe in. So right now, I'm going to probably go vote next week. I ain't voting for Abbott. I can't stand the guy. I'm going to vote for somebody whose beliefs align with mine. That's what the primary is for. Now, when it comes to the general election, you got to pick the lesser of two evils, in my opinion. But guys, the county judge, your DA, and then your local judges, those affect your life more than what you think. They directly are related to the increase in violent crime that's going on in Harris County and Houston. It's because weak judges, weak DA. Also, the the county judge, don't get me started on the Harris County judge. I'm not going to get into that. Anyway, guys, go vote. It is your right. It is your duty. The primaries are who you vote for that best align with your beliefs. So guys, go out, be safe, be smart, be skilled. Catch you on the next one.